To link digital coupons to your Kroger card, start by signing in to your Kroger account on the company website or through the mobile app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Digital Coupons section, which is usually found under the Savings or Coupons tab. Here you will find a list of available digital coupons that you can add to your Kroger card. Browse through the list and select the coupons you want to use by clicking the Add button next to each coupon. After you have selected the coupons you want to use, they will be automatically linked to your Kroger card. You can verify that the coupons have been added by checking your account online or through the mobile app. You can also view the coupons you have loaded onto your card at the bottom of your receipt after making a purchase. To use the digital coupons, simply shop for the items as you normally would and swipe your Kroger card or enter your alternate ID at checkout. The discounts will be applied automatically to the eligible items in your cart. It is essential to note that digital coupons can only be used once and have expiration dates. So be sure to check the terms and conditions of each coupon before using it. In addition to linking digital coupons to your Kroger card, you can also use the Kroger mobile app to find and add coupons, view your shopping list, and keep track of your savings. The app is a convenient way to manage your account and maximize your savings on the go. By following these steps, you can easily link digital coupons to your Kroger card and start saving money on your grocery purchases. Remember to always check the digital coupons section regularly for new and updated offers, and to review the terms and conditions of each coupon to ensure you get the most out of your savings.